Hi, this is Ron Hirschkorn from ChooseTerm.com, and today I want to talk to you about accidental death benefit life insurance. So, what exactly is it? What does it cover? And how do you get a policy? So, the first thing is accidental death benefit life insurance would cover you in case of dying as a result of an accident. Typically, if you died 90 days from the event, from an accident happened to you, you'd be considered covered. Plane crash, car crash, as a pedestrian getting hit by a car, falling off your roof, anything that was an accident that led to death, within 90 days typically would cover you. Now, you might be concerned about flying overseas and being on a plane, or you might be concerned about a specific event and thinking about this type of coverage. So how do you get this coverage? Well, you can get it in one of two ways. Typically, as part of a term life policy or a permanent life insurance policy, you can get accidental death benefit rider on top of your policy. So what does this mean? If, for example, you're getting a $250,000 policy that would cover you both for accidents and for illness, typically a regular traditional life insurance policy covers you for both accidents and illnesses. So if you had a policy like that but wanted increased coverage for accidents, you can get an accidental death benefit rider, and oftentimes you can get up to double your coverage for accidents. So for example, if you had a $250,000 policy and you had the accidental death benefit rider that you paid an additional fee for every single month, an additional premium, your coverage would be $500,000 total if you died resulting in an accident. The other way to get this type of policy is actually without any medical exam, and just to get specifically a policy that covers you for accidents. So there's companies out there that specialize specifically in accidental death benefit, and your policy would only cover you in a case of death due to an accident. These policies are significantly cheaper than traditional policies because you are limited to coverage only in case of accident. The nice thing about them is that if you've been denied for a regular policy, you can still get an accidental death benefit policy so that you still have something in place in case you did die in an accident. They're cheaper and anybody can get approved, and they're also typically instant issue. So recently I had a client that was flying overseas, and their wife was very concerned that what if something happens? What if there's a plane crash? And they wanted to get a policy right away. Well, they wouldn't be able to get a traditional term life policy that requires a medical right away within a matter of a day or two. But the accidental policy, they were able to get actually the same day that they called me. And I was able to get them their policy emailed to them, and they had it right away. And they felt secure knowing that if something were to happen, they were covered. So accidental death benefit, the individual policies, they're nice to have if you've been declined, if you need some kind of coverage right away, if you're flying, if you're going overseas and you want to make sure you have something in place, or if you just want additional coverage for accidents that you don't really need, or you might already have a traditional regular life insurance policy, you don't want to go through a medical exam again, you can just get an accidental death benefit life insurance policy, or again, you can get this as a rider to a traditional policy. Hope this was helpful, and if you need more information, you can visit our website, ChooseTerm.com, and give us a call at 800-574-0245. My extension is 101. My name is Ron Hirschkorn, and I can answer any questions you have about life insurance or compare quotes for you. Thank you.